Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Thank you for stopping by. So in today's video we are going to be making beans flour. The last time I posted how to make plantain flour in my channel here, some of my beautiful subscribers requested that I make a beans flour. So in today's video I'm honoring that request. We are making beans flour. To make this, I start by sorting the beans. You saw me sorting out the beans to remove the bad ones, and then I wash the beans. After washing the beans, I'll soak it in the water for about 3 to 5 minutes to enable the skin to soften a bit, because I'll be using blender. After about 5 minutes, I pour it into the blender and blend it with pulse. I pulse the blender for about 4-5 times. That enables the skin to come out quickly. For me, that's the easiest way of removing the skin of the beans. And then I wash it off. Keep watching. And here we have it. So the next thing I'll do is to pour enough water into the bowl to enable the skin of the beans to come to the top, and then we'll sieve it out with a sieve. You can see the beans is all cleaned up. We are done removing the skin and washing it very well. So I'll leave it in this sieve for some minutes for the water I need to drop. Then I'll transfer it into a tray and take it out to the sun. I'm going to sun dry the beans. You can always use your dehydrator if you have, or dry it in the oven in the lowest heat always, so that you don't cook it. I've been drying it now for 3 days, so it is well dried. It is well dried. So the next thing I'm going to do is to grind it with a small dry mill. If you're making this in large quantity, you can always use a commercial dry mill. The cup is small, so I'm going to grind it in batches. Here is the beans flour, but it is not very smooth yet, so I'm going to pass it through this tiny mesh so that we can get a very smooth flour, and then I will regrind whatever is left in the mesh. And now we have a very smooth beans flour. This is our beans flour. And then this is what we have left after sieving the smooth one. I told you I'm going to regrind it. After grinding it, this is what we have. It is now very smooth also. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you for stopping by, and if you're new here, thank you also. God bless you all. See you in our next video, and please don't forget to share my video, like and subscribe. Bye bye.